Hey there, business moguls, entrepreneurs, and content creators. Are you ready to take your online presence to the next level? Well, look no further. Our team of experts in web development, prompt engineering, SEO mastery, and digital marketing is here to rock your world. We don't just build websites, we craft digital experiences that captivate your audience and leave them wanting more. Your brand and logo will be etched into the minds of your visitors. But wait, there's more. We're not just about aesthetics. We're about results. Our SEO strategies and digital marketing wizardry will catapult your business to the top of search engine rankings, ensuring that your online reach goes through the roof. So, if you want a website that's not just a pretty face but also a powerful tool in your arsenal, it's time to get in touch with us. We're here to transform your online presence and turn it into a profit-generating machine. Don't miss out, let's connect and make your online dreams a reality.